Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you industrial filtration equipments uh, in unit operation subject. Now let's start the topic industrial filtration equipments. Number one is it is continuous pressure filters in which apply large pressure difference across the septum to give economically rapid filtration with viscous liquids or fine solids. That is the plate and frame filter press and cell and leaf filters. Second one is continuous vacuum filter, and vacuum filters are simple and reliable machines and therefore have gained wide acceptance in the chemical, food and pharmaceutical industries in which rotary drum filter and horizontal belt filters. Plate and frame filter press is filter presses work in a batch manner. The plates are clamped together, then a pump starts feeding the slurry into the filter press to complete a filtering cycle and produce a batch of solid filtered material called the filter cake. A filter press uses increased pump pressure to maximize the rate of filtration. This is the diagram of the plate and frame filter parts in which there is the blue one is the passage for filtrate and yellow one is the feed slurry passage and red one is the filter media and by black it is fixed head plate and slide head plate. Then there is a slide bars and this is the medium scale frame and filter press. Then shell and leaf filter, that is in these horizontal pressure leaf filter jacketing and cloth enveloped filters are optional. There are two hydraulic cylinders to open and close the special bayonet wedge lock closer which is provided at the lid. The retractable filtered shell is mounted on four external wheels and all nozzle connections are mounted on fixed head of filter vessel. Appropriate interlocking, that is preventing opening under pressure, is also a key feature of this type of horizontal pressure leaf filter, and it range from available in 5 square meter to 250 square meters. Advantages are horizontal leaf filter is also a multi-utility device that has the following advantages, that is nil spillage as a result of close and compact operation, and no use of filtered cloth reduces operational expenses, high productivity due to the high rate of filtration, cheap and economical operational costs, and highly user friendly. This is the diagram or picture which is showing the shell and leaf filter. The cake is removed at the end of the cycle. Then rotary drum filter. Rotary drum filter has an horizontal drum that turns at 0.1 to 2 RPM per minute at in an agitated slurry trough, and filter medium covers phase 2 drum and which is partially submerged. Vacuum and air are alternately applied as the drum rotates. As panel leaves slurry zone, a wash liquid is drawn through the filter, then cake is sucked dry with air, and finally cake is scraped off. From 30% up to 60 to 70% of filter area can be submerged. Cakes usually 30 to 40 mm thick. Drum sizes range from 0.3 meter to diameter to 3 meter in diameter. The drum is supported by a large diameter trunnion on the valve and a bearing on the drive end. The drum face is divided into circumferential sectors, each forming a separate vacuum cell. The internal piping that is connected to each separator passes through the trunnion and ends up with a wear plate having ports that corresponds to the number of sectors. Then parts of rotary drum filter. The valve, a valve with a bridge setting controls the sequence of the cycle so that each sector is subjected to vacuum, blow, and a dead zone. When a sector enters submergence, vacuum commences and continues through washing, if required, to a point that it is cut off and blow takes place to assist in discharging the cake. The valve has on certain filters adjustable blocks and on others a fixed bridge ring. Adjustable bridge blocks enable the optimization of warm to dry ratio within the filtration cycle as well as the effective submergence of the drum when the slurry level in the tank is at the maximum. Then the cake formation, cake washing and drying, cake blow, discharge. Then the parts of the rotary drum filter are the internal piping, the filter cloth is the filter cloth retains the cake and is fastened to the drum face by inserting special caulking ropes into a grooved division strips. Nowadays, with some expectations, they are made from synthetic materials such as polypropylene or polyester with monofilament or multifilament yarns and with sophisticated weaves and layers. The image on the right shows the method of joining of the cloth ends with clippers and to retain the fines from passing through the filtrate. Multi-filament strings are threaded across the entire cloth width. Another option quite often used on belt discharge filters is to join the ends with a special shoeing machine. This is the horizontal bed filter in which the feed is passed by the hopper and by the gravity section the pressure section is there, then receiving container and by which it is drained. Operation is the feed slush to be dewatered is introduced from a hopper between two filter cloths which pass through a convoluted arrangements of rollers. As the belts are fed through the rollers, water is squeezed out of the sludge. When the belts pass through the final pairs of rollers in the process, the filter cloths are separated and the filter cake is scraped off into the suitable container. A belt filter is generally used in phosphate fertilizer plants to separate the solid from slurry. It comprises washing to different zones to minimize the product losses. Belt filters use a vacuum system to minimize off gas and effluent during the operations. It has applications in many other areas of industry. Then horizontal belt filter advantages are continuous operation, then intensive soluble recovery or removal of contaminants from the cake by the counter current washing, and producing relatively clean filter rates by using a cloudy port or a sedimentation basin, then polishing of solutions and convenient access to the cake for sampling or operators activities, easy control of operating parameters such as cake thickness or wash ratios, then wide variety of materials of construction. Then disadvantages are higher residual moisture in the cake, untight construction, so it is difficult to contain gases, then difficult to clean, mainly as required for food grade applications, high power consumption by the vacuum pump. Next filter is the tray filter. Tray filter, as opposed to the horizontal belt filter, it belongs to the group of top feed filters and is primarily applied to the finer chemical compounds handling thin cakes, although in recent years, large machines suitable for thick cakes may be seen on the bulkier processes. Sizes may vary from 0.25 to 3 meter wide units and lengths of 2 meters for pilot units and up to 25 meters for industrial machines. The cloth moves continuously over reciprocating trays which move forwards with vacuum on in the forward stroke and retract with vacuum off in the backward stroke. The cloth moves intermittently over fixed trays and stops with vacuum on in the filtration phase and vacuum off to enable its movement forwards. Tray filter, the reciprocating trays type. This filter consists of a series of trays which are allocated for cake formation, washing and drying. The trays are each connected through a flexible hose to a manifold that runs along the filter and collects the filtrate to the vacuum receivers. To meet such requirements, the manifold is separated by blind flanges, which can be set at different positions. The number of receivers is determined by the process requirements, with one unit collecting the mother filtrate and others the wash filtrate and the cake drying. The reciprocating trays are designed so that while under vacuum, they can move freely in the forward direction together with the cloth and at the same velocity. When they reach the end of the stroke point, the vacuum is cut off. The trays are pushed by an atmospheric release and pulled back by an air-driven pneumatic cylinder. During the backstroke, the filter cloth keeps moving forward since there is no vacuum between the retracting trays and the backside of the cloth which holds them together. Then the fixed tray type, the trays of the filters are fixed to the frame and the cloth moves forward in short increments during vacuum off and remains stationary at the vacuum on mode. The vacuum modes are controlled by solenoid actuated valves arranged in a similar method described in this section on the reciprocating. fixed roll and with on-off motor actuator. In this system, the discharge roll is mounted on the frame in a fixed position and a timer controlled pulley moves the cloth at vacuum off to allow cake discharge and vacuum on during the filtration. A special thing feed box pours the slurry onto the filter deck when the cloth moves at the vacuum off. Then selection criteria for tray filter. They may be built for synthetic materials for construction, which makes them suitable to understand highly corrosive applications without the use of exotic and expensive alloys. The sealing against loss of vacuum is simple as opposed to the rubber belt filters, which are sacrificial moving belts to seal between the underside of the main belt and the top flanges that runs along the vacuum box. They are built in a modular construction which enables expansion when circumstances so require. The separation of mother and wash filtrates is sharp and accurate since as opposed to partitions in a vacuum box of rubber belt filter, the filtrate is contained in a tray. They lend themselves better than rubber belt filters when two vacuum zones are required, such as high vacuum for the feed and wash zones, and low vacuum with high air rates for the drying zones. The power consumption is lower since the rubber belt filters require special arrangements to support the heavy belt and reduce friction. Features are found more often on tray filters such as a gasket tight enclosures, compression rolls and blankets, thermal drying, vibrating trays to seal cracks in the cake, and ultrasonic or chemical cloth cleaning. They are, however, less in use for very thick and heavy cakes since, contrary to rubber belt filters, the friction during indexing due to the cake weight between the supporting grids that cover the trays and backside of the cloth may cause extensive wear. The disc filter is a type of water filter used primarily in irrigation, similar to a screen filter, except that the filter cartridge is made up of a number of discs stacked on top of each other like a pile or poker chips. The water passes through the small grooves in between the impurities are trapped behind. Some types of disc filters can be backflushed in such a way that the discs are able to separate and spin during the cleaning cycle. Then main elements of the disc filter are filtering cylinders made totally out of the stainless steel quality. And this cylinder is a specially designed machine, and this element has two side lids which support the filtering material together with a metallic framework which is easy to dismount or adjust. Filtering mesh of 10 to 1 microns made in polyester, also available in stainless steel AISI 31 6L. Then modular design, easy access to the filtering cylinder from the exterior of the filter quickly and easily. Then shell or frame in strong mechano construction welded in stainless steel quality, supplied with entrance and exit connections, anchoring links, water tightness elements, etc. System for elimination of residue. This is carried out by means of combination of water sprinkler, the rotation of the filtering cylinder, and the residue conveying hopper found inside the filtering cylinder. The applications are the tertiary treatment of municipal wastewater, pre-treatment of drinking water, treatment of storm water, and treatment of water from industrial processes. Advantages of disc filter are wide range in solid concentrations in the water to be treated, filtering mesh from 10 to 1 microns according to the application, equipped with production flows from 10 to 5.4 meter cube per hour, compact design which requires up to 675% less implantation surface compared with a conventional sand filter, then low investment thanks to its compact design, then reduced energy cost as the filtering is through gravity, continuous working including in washing phase, very easy access to all filter elements, and easy operating and maintenance. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.